Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you turn off notifications from Snapchat, whether you want to turn off only some specific notifications or even every single notification that Snapchat can give you, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're going to be using the Snapchat app, of course, we need to get something out of the way. So open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply find Snapchat right here, only to make sure we have the app updated to face no problems in this process. After that, of course, quit the store and let's head out to Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account and then open your profile by tapping the Bitmoji in the top left corner. And from your profile, open settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. From here, guys, you should find a category in settings that is named notifications. Tap on it to open it, and here you find every type of notification that Snapchat can give you. Just look for the one that you want to turn off. Let's say you want to turn off memories notifications. Go ahead and tap on the tick right next to it, and voila, you have turned it off and on. You can do that to every single type of notification. If you want to mute basically the Snapchat app and stop every single notification, you need to open your phone settings and make it to the apps list. So tap on apps right here and then tap on manage apps right there. Depends on what phone you have, just make it to the apps list and find Snapchat right here. You can just search for it and here it is. Go to the notification category again. And from here, it's basically very easy. To save yourself the headache, just tap on this toggle in the top to turn off all notifications from Snapchat. And that's basically how can you turn off notifications of Snapchat, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. And of course, share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.